Like a man. Like a man.
What's going on, everybody? It's Anthony with Detailng Professional Services. And I get offended because of all this rain. It's finally gone, but it'll be back all next week. But I was fortunate enough to someone called me and they wanted interior detail. He wanted interior detail.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Catlet Road.
But I upsold him a wash. So now he's gonna get the interior detail with the wash.
Take the next right onto Catlet Road. Continue on Catlet Road for 1.5 miles.
But here's the thing, y'all. In this game, man, it's so unpredictable. The weather, you don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know how long it's gonna happen. I mean, you got a forecast out for like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks. But, but you can't see that forecast, 6 months down, 6 months back. In June, you didn't know that the following February was going to be like this. You see what I'm saying? But you do have an idea of what the winter's going to be like because you can just gauge it by the winters before. So anytime you get an opportunity to get a new customer, to get a new client, or your existing customers and clients, upsell, upsell, upsell. I can't stress it enough. You're trying to make as much money as possible. It's never enough. There's so many things you can upsell. Always be thinking about it all the time. Keep your eyes open. He told me, yeah, I'm not really worried about the outside, but I'm focused, so what I do is I just say, look, man, for another $40,
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Stirrabling Road.
you can get the outside washed. So he was with it. That's what we're about to go and do now.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the first exit onto Camden Lane.
time of year, you be so happy when you get a phone call. I was just sitting at home, relaxing, really. I was gonna, bust out a video, but my phone rang. It was like, hey, I got a company vehicle that I need to get done. That was the first time I've ever done a vehicle for that guy. It's a new customer. He said that he was gonna call me to schedule a full details on both of his vehicles, personal vehicles. That one was just an interior detail with the wash. Didn't take me that long to do. But again, like I said, upsell. Alright, so initially he wanted a interior detail, which is $130. So for an additional $40, I said, hey, I'll do the interior and I'll wash the outside. And so he was like, okay. Then when I got there, done the vehicle, finished the vehicle, gave me a $40 tip. You see? So now I've actually gained an additional $80 or $90. Yeah, but so that's why I tell you guys, man, try your best to upsell. Some people just gonna say no to everything. But don't get discouraged. Still ask. But I'm out. You know what I'm finna do, go home and eat. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.